Hi, in this video, I'll be showing you how to set up an alternative text editor to Notepad++. We'll be looking at how to use VS Code. It's a nice text editor which so many developers use today, but you could always use Notepad++ or VS Code. It's your choice. But VS Code is actually a very interesting text editor. It has a lot of features compared to Notepad++. So quickly, let's look at how to set up VS Code. So on my browser, I'll just open a new tab and then I'll type VS Code on the search bar, and then I'll go to the home page of VS Code. Depending on the OS that you're using, that's the operating system you're using, you can download for Mac or for Windows, but in this case we're setting it up for a Windows laptop. So I'll just click download, and then it will take me to this page. And then the download will start, so wait for it to download. It's not too heavy though, depending on the speed of your internet. It should take roughly maybe 15 seconds to complete the download. So the download is complete. I'll open my downloads folder and then you have something like this. So I'll double click on it to start the installation. I'll accept the agreement and then click next, click next. You don't need to choose any other thing here. The only thing I would suggest you select is to create a desktop icon so that you can easily access the text editor from your desktop. So, and then these two other options, add open with code. This is when you select a folder on your, anywhere in your Windows directly. You can just easily say open that folder with VS Code, but you don't need to worry about that. For now, I'll just click next, or I could just as well select it, the two options, but it's optional actually. So I'll click next and then I'll click install. So wait for the installation to complete, and once the installation is complete, we'll use it to open a project and see how or what the interface looks like. Like I said, it's an alternative to Notepad++. If you love it, you can work with this. So the installation is complete. I'll just say launch, or I'll just click finish like this. And when I go back to my desktop, I should see VS Code. So if you double click on VS Code, you should have something like this. This is what VS Code looks like. Like I said, it's a very interesting code editor to work with a very nice interface. So let's open a project folder with VS Code. I'll just click open folder, and then I'll go to my desktop. I'll just select a project folder like this, and then I'll say select folder. So, and then it will ask you if you trust the folder. Yeah, always say yes if you trust the folder. I'll say yes. This is basically what VS Code looks like. I hope you enjoy it. In some of our videos, we may use it, but mostly we'll be using Notepad++. But if you want to use VS Code, feel free to try it. I'll see you on the next episode.